Creating an email marketing strategy. The most important thing that you will need to carry out to make your email marketing efforts successful is to create and develop an email marketing strategy. For this, there are several steps that you will need to follow and considerations that you will need to account for. Don't buy a list. It might seem wise, quick, and efficient for you to simply buy an email list and send out your emails to all the contacts and addresses in your list. However, this method is unreliable and not a useful strategy for you to employ, since it can breach the trust of potential customers and the people whose emails you are using. Optimize for multiple devices. Not everyone checks their emails solely on their computers or laptops anymore. In fact, with younger age groups, 59% of millennials and 67% of Gen Z, smartphones are a lot more convenient and popular when it comes to checking their email. Create a schedule. Do not underestimate the ease, convenience, and efficacy of creating a schedule and timeline for sending out your emails, especially if there are various kinds of emails in your marketing campaign that you will need to send out. Use double opt-in. Double sign-up or opt-in techniques can go a long way in ensuring that your emails land in the right inbox of your subscribers, instead of simply going to spam or not getting sent properly. Use segmentation. Segmentation is a great way for you to divide up your email list of subscribers into separate categories. These categories can be on the basis of their race, nationality, gender, age group, location, jobs, language, and several others. Personalize your emails. Personalizing your emails is similar to the process of segmentation, since it can allow you to see more open rates and clicks, while also formatting and designing your emails differently for different people. Optimize your emails. Using a clear, short, attractive, and relevant subject line to allow your readers to feel curious and open your email. Writing your copy in a friendly manner, as if you are simply writing about your brand to someone close to you. Using designs and templates that stand out without being overbearing. Using images at the right places that are also optimized for different devices. Including a link to unsubscribe. Including a call to action at the end. Maintain your list. You must regularly clean and maintain your list so that you can ensure more clicks, opens, engagements, and loyalty when it comes to your brand. Of course, you must provide an unsubscribe link in your email, but for several subscribers, they might simply ignore your emails for months on end. Always test and scale. Testing your emails before you send them out can allow you to figure out which strategies and content receive more engagement as compared to others. A and B testing can be a great way to do this, since this can allow you to test out two versions of an email that you are confused between.